Hi everyone, welcome to Techlusive. I'm Nikhil Chapla and today we're going to talk about Google's I/O. Google I/O Keynote is the event where you talk about Google's latest development for the year, whether it's software developments, product development, or a lot of features that you'll see in the upcoming iteration of products and services. Yesterday, it happened in the middle of night in India, but the keynote had a lot of important announcement. First of all, everything that you use from Google will have a lot of regenerative AI in it. Yes, your Google search is going to change forever. Your Google services, your Google Labs, Google Photos, Google Photo Editor, everything that has Google with it will be powered by AI. In fact, Google has also announced the availability of Google Bard AI. Yes, the ChatGPT competition is now really firing up. Google's Bard is now available in 180 plus countries, including India, so you can start using Google Bard starting today. But that's not all. Usually Google AI is a lot about software and services, but yesterday we also saw a lot of product announcement. Yes, so the Google Pixel's hardware took center stage at Google I/O and we saw not one, not two, but three different devices being launched. First up, we'll talk about the major announcement, the one that was always leaked around, but it's finally here. The Google Pixel Fold smartphone has been launched. It costs around $1,800. It hasn't been announced for any other market right now, and it offers a 5.8 inches OLED screen on the outer side and a 7.6 inches of display on the inside. But if you're wondering why it is important, because Samsung has already taken the lead with its foldable device. Well, because Google is the maker of Android, the OS that powers it, I think Google Pixel Fold will add a lot of value to the customization and the software optimization that foldable devices need. That means the Pixel Fold will kind of set path and benchmark for foldable devices in the future. But that's not all. It was not just the Pixel Fold. Google also announced a Pixel tablet. Now this is not just another tablet. The Google Pixel tablet that we saw last evening was priced around $499, but also doubles up as a Google smart home device. Yes, usually what do you do with a tablet? You know, when you're using it, it's fine, but when you're not using it, it's just lying around somewhere in your room. Well, finally, it comes with a dock where you magnetically stick it on the dock and it becomes like a smart home device. So, too functional of a tablet. I really think that's a great idea because usually your tablets are lying around idle when you're not using it. And lastly, Google also updated its mid-range smartphone device, the Google Pixel 7a. Yes, and that device is also come to India. You can buy it around 44,000 rupees. In the US, it's around $499. It comes with a 6.1 inches 1080p display and is powered by G2 Tensor sensor from Google. Well, that was just one part of the news. The second is Google search is getting generative AI. So everything that you search on Google will be in a kind of chat format where you can chat with the Google Assistant like we used to do it with the Google Voice Assistant. Now you'll see it inside the chat. So you'll get this regenerative AI kind of column inside the search and you can, really have a conversation with the Google search and kind of generate content according to your search thread. Third is that Bard is now available to all. Yes, it was in test phase, in a beta phase, but now it's available to all. So good luck ChatGPT, because till the time we didn't have Google Bard in India and most of the countries, it was ChatGPT. You get something like Magic Compose, which automatically composes messages for you in the Google Android messages. And you can also use AI to create your own wallpapers. Like you want to see yourself standing in Times Square in New York. Well, just ask Google and it'll do it for you, and then you can put it as a wallpaper. So a lot of AI, a lot of magic happening all across Google products. Fourth, Google Wear OS is also getting an update and you'll finally have Wear OS for Google smartwatches and any watch that is powered by Wear OS. The Google Watch OS is expected to have better battery life, better accessibility features, and restore and backup feature that was lacking in the previous iteration of Wear OS. Fifth and the last one is Google Photo Magic Editor. Yes, we all had a magic eraser in Google Photos and Pixel devices, but now the eraser is gone and it's the editor. So Magic Editor can kind of regenerate things like you can see in this video where you can see a child and balloons together in this frame, but the balloons are cut into half, the child is not in the middle. But with the help of Google Magic Editor, you can fix it all. Click of a button, it moves the image in the middle. The child is now in the middle. The focus is on the child. The balloons that were not even there in the photo has been generated by AI. The bench is generated by AI. You can even further improve the cloud, the skies, and change the outlook of the image. So do let us know in the comment section below which one is your favorite announcement from Google I/O 2023. Thanks for watching Techlusive. See you in the next one.